All right, hey, what's going on? It's JP with Max TR3 Revival. It is after Christmas, but still before the new year. Would love to try and get some stuff done out here in the garage, but sometimes life works against you. Here's my heater, which I've taken apart the bearing on the motor part there. And over here, it's bueno, no good. It is trashed. So looked at getting the parts to fix it. This thing's 13 years old, and I'm not gonna keep playing with it. Gonna put some warm clothes on, see if I can get out here and get some stuff done over the rest of the holiday. All right, we're gonna hit you up with a little before. Got all kind of parts that I haven't finished putting in the bins. Picked up a couple more bins. Had the heater still taken apart. I think I'll put that back together so I can collect it by the door, ready to go. I'm gonna take inventory and see what I need to. Back on the 62. And then just a general cleanup, so put you on time lapse. All right, crazy, but you unearth stuff in your garage and you find out you actually have some pretty nice stuff. This right here, it's a door I got a while ago, but it is solid. It's no rust, well, a little bit of surface rust, but just solid interior. It's in great overall shape. I don't see a bunch of warpage or anything like that on it. Does have some cracking on the paint. All the mounts are good. Nice to know I have an alternative. I'm going to put that one back in the box, put it up in the loft, and keep that one in mind. Still not happy with it 100%. But it's better. I got some of the junk out. I need to relocate some of these kits. I need to redo some of this. Clean off the top of that. Next on my list really is to get back to the transmission tunnel cover. A little welding practice, start back on that again. That's sitting right down here, so have to yank that out. I've got some spots, some flange I got to rebuild on that and get that finished up. I think I'm gonna have to harden a little larger pieces. I've been watching a lot of metal shaping, so All right, so I'm debating on which way to go. I got several areas I need to fix up. This, and I'll have to look at the other one that I've got, but I know there's a flange here. Some of this is really thin, so I don't know if I need to cut it back and maybe start a little higher up. Got a couple of holes filled on this side. I got to dress those up, try and get a little paint on it. I now look at going around the corner here. There's some spots I got to fill in up here. And then, I mean, as long as it's good enough to bolt down, I should be good to go. All right, so here's where I'm at. I need a couple pictures, if anybody can help. I need a picture of this area right here. And then again, on this side over here, where this flange is. The problem is I'm trying to be too perfect with it. I'm also going to try and form a piece up for this down here. All right, so here we go. We got a quick little piece that I cut. Obviously, it's long enough to connect up to this, which is a thicker piece of metal. I got a little bend on it, and if you look on the inside, that form fits pretty good. Just have to drill that hole back through. So next, chop it out and see if I can get what I want to do is go ahead and build the flange on here and see if I can't get it to, shrink or stretcher on this piece here, and then get it to form a round. Then I'll only have to connect between here and that piece. Well, that's the plan. We'll see how that goes, but I think I'm gonna leave that for another date and time. Appreciate you guys hanging out and watching, and definitely getting back on some work.